Friends, open PicsArt. Now tap on plus icon. Now tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. Everything is ready. All you have to do is arrange your model image, standing pose model image. Go to plus icon and add model image. Then this is standing pose model image. Now go to cutout tool here, cutout tool. Tap on this brush option. Increase the hardness, decrease the size. Everyone is asking how to erase the background. By using this brush, you have to draw only on model image, okay, not the outside. Draw fully on model image, okay, to erase the background. Or else you can also use photo room app available in Play Store. Download it and you can erase the background easily, okay. Simply draw on the model image and tap on tick mark. So it look like. Simply zoom out and arrange it in the center like this. Perfect. Now first step, go to adjust, decrease the brightness little bit, increase clarity, increase saturation, decrease highlights, tap on shadow, little shadow. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate. Now simply rotate it, arrange it below the model image like this. Now decrease the opacity. It is perfect. Now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. The shadow PNG, squeeze it like this, arrange below the legs. Now tap on move down. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the hair PNG. The hair PNG, zoom in and arrange it perfectly like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, tap on restore, increase the size and draw like this. Now decrease the opacity and hardness and erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark, decrease little opacity. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select further PNGs. This is a PNG. We can arrange it here. Tap on tick. Next step, go to brushes, select the fourth brush and you have to select the golden star, this one, keep it 50 and tap here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special 2022 photo editing completed. This is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.